Hi there, my name is Hannah Silva, and this is my book critique set 1. All of these books range from grades 1 through 4. Within this set of 8 books, I have decided to turn my main focus to a particular book that is near and dear to my heart. The book is taken from the religious children's fiction genre. This book is called The Weight of a Mass, written by Josephine Nabiso and illustrated by Catalin Chudechti. This book is ideal for 3rd grade because of its content and meaning. This enchanting and moving book takes place in a bustling kingdom where a successful baker and his son run a world-famous bakery. It is a typical day full of tasty confections when an old woman walks in and asks for a bit of bread, for which she can only pay for by offering a mass for the baker. This book is one of great faith in what the true meaning of value is in life. It is also the proud winner of the Catholic Press Association Award and the Children's Book Committee Best Book Award. My first lesson for this featured text is focused on science, rising to the occasion. After reading The Weight of a Mass, the students will separate into groups of 3 to 4 students. Each student will then go to a station where there are the ingredients to make their own bread. Using measuring cups, the groups of students will each make their own batches of bread according to a recipe. The students will set the bread to rise and then focus on the rising process. The purpose of this activity is to study what causes bread to rise and the carbon dioxide's reaction in the bread. After the bread has risen, students will examine the differences in the size of the bread dough and analyze how the process worked through writing. To enhance this lesson, students can take pictures of their dough before and after the rising process and post their progress to Padlet for everyone to examine. My second lesson focuses on math and the role that fractions play. After reading The Weight of a Mass, each student will be given a recipe to different desserts that consist of fraction measurements. After the students have the recipes, they will then draw pictorial representations of the fractions and 2 different ways to correctly write the fractions. The students will then go to the Adapted Mind Math website and explore decimals on their own through this interactive learning site. In addition to my feature text, I had the pleasure of reading 7 other award-winning books. The first book, Know David, by David Shannon, focuses on a rambunctious boy who just can't seem to do anything right. Know David is a book applicable to any young student who is vivacious and full of energy. This book is a proud winner of the Caldecott Honor. The second book, Hot Air, by Marjorie Priceman, is a historical fiction book about the very first hot air balloon ride. This barnyard fiasco of a book is the winner of the Caldecott Honor and one that should be in every classroom. The third book, Show Way, by Jacqueline Woodson, takes the reader back to the depressed time of slavery and the effects that it can have on an entire generation. This moving book about strength is the winner of the Newbery Honor Award. The fourth book, One Morning in Maine, by Robert McCloskey, is about a little girl's adventures in the middle of Maine on a hot, sunny day. This is a Caldecott Honor book that is thoroughly enjoyable for any and every age. The sixth book, A Sick Day for Amos McGee, by Philip Stead, is a heartwarming tale of true friendship and the meaning of caring for one another. This book is a proud owner of the Caldecott Medal. The seventh and final book, Shadow, by Marcia Brown, is a mystical book about African folklore and the roots of its culture. This book won a Caldecott Medal. This is all there is to my first set of books, so I hope to see you soon for set 2.